just met and they ain't friends so far. My words don't travel far, they tangle in my head and tend to go nowhere. They grow right back inside, right past my brain and eyes into my stomach juice. Rated on certain juice and healthy calories, nutrition values, and I absorb back in the words right through my skin. They sit there festering inside my mouth, the consonants and vowels. The consequence of sound, the consonants and vowels. The consequence of sound. Did you know that the grave digger's still getting stuck in a machine, even though it's a whole other daydream? It's another town, it's another world where the kids are asleep and the loans are paid and the lawns are mowed. But you think all the grave diggers were gone just 'cause one song is done? There's always another one waiting right around the bend till this one ends, then it begins. Clean, that's what we do again. The weather report keeps on tossing and turning, predicting and warning, warning and warning of possible leakage from news publications and possible leakage from news TV stations. That very same morning, right next to her coffee, she noticed the bleeding and heard hollow coughing. The National Geographic was being too graphic when all she had wanted to know was the traffic. The world that knows beat it said, and we're flooding, but we keep on cutting the trees and the forests, and we keep on paying those freaks on the TV who claim they will save us but want to enslave us. Sweating like demons, they scream through our speakers, but we leave the sound out 'cause silence is harder, and no one's the killer and no one's the martyr. The world that has made us can no longer contain us, and prophets are silent and riding away.